Good morning, my Locs friends, sisters, and brothers, whatever. Um, I'm going to confess something to you people. Locks are embarrassing. Sorry if I look the way I look. It's just that I just woke up really legit, like no fake in my game. Okay, and I had this embarrassing situation in the middle of Mannheim. Like I really fixed my hair like the way I used to fix my hair when I am filming or going out, which I thought it's great and I was happy about it, like roots. Anyways, let me show you the hair. But the thing is, I've lost one lock again. And listen, can you hear it? That's how dry my hair is. Like the fact that locks are low maintenance, I think I overdid it. And so I had this embarrassing situation in the middle of a real big city, and it was summer actually, and somebody with some like these reggae caps, and he had a lot of locks, like big, came to me, started talking to me, and oh, I do locks. And if I can do your locks, I said, I'm fine. He said, no, your locks are not looking good. Here's my work. I said, but I'm not interested right now. Like I had an appointment. I was standing in front of the car because we didn't park right. So I was waiting for somebody and looking if there's some kind of security coming so I can park up, drive away, and I will just ignore the man, and you will show me pictures. Say, no, your locks are too frizzy, your parts, your this, your that, and they look dry, like legit from nowhere, like from nowhere. So 2 weeks prior to that, I had lost one locks, and in the middle of my head here, I had the feeling we did two thin locks. So this part here is legit embarrassing, but nobody sees it, isn't it? And I have like growth and anyway, so I have an appointment. I came back to my city obviously, and I have an appointment with somebody who does the locks. The girl would install these leaves like 1 hour 10 from me, and I don't know, I was lazy to drive to make an appointment to blah blah blah, and I was enjoying how it looks like. So now I have an appointment in legit 2 hour 15 minutes. Somebody slept in. I have to quickly do an oil treatment. I think I will be putting coconut butter, almond oil, and coconut butter, almond oil, and olive oil, hot oil treatment. Wash it, and we are going to retwist the hair for the first time. And I don't even know how much it cost. Like I did it myself. I let nature I let nature. That's actually what we are going to be doing today to our locks. Hot oil treatment so it does not look so dry, and then go drive that my is in my city. Is I even asked him how much I should bring. He said, no, sister, sometime or not all time money is something. I said, what should I bring? He said, nothing, just come with yourself. So I was thinking of combs, or I do not want to use gel on my hair. So far I haven't been using any gel. At the point I was palm rolling, but it's really frizzy, which I like. And I bought some ornaments because I saw somewhere. I saw Tupoka Ode, I don't know if you know it, but her book, Exit Racism, is so great. which with some kind of ornament, and I asked her and she gave me a tip inbox how I should do. Behind, I'm really grateful, like, but yeah, I don't know why. And actually it's the part I used to have more hair. Enough of the talking, let's do the oil treatment. Now we wait. Ta-da! I have a different size of locks. And my embarrassing part, I just have these two left, which I'm going to be twisting like so. And once they are long enough, then I'm going to probably put some faux locks or something in there. But this is the size I have right now, so he combined them. I'm going to insert a clip of his work, like he did great. And for some reason I was an adept of sister locks, but I am really loving this bigger size of locks. Like, I didn't even know he was going to do that, but supposedly my locks were too thin, especially some of the roots. But behind, I think 3 or 4 kept their normal size, like this one. And yeah, but the rest is like doubled. What do you think? Can I show myself like this? And he was even jealous of my length, like his were all like this. And he was like, oh, once I have this length, I'm not going to. And I was like, what, girl? This is how long your locks are? Or I didn't even realize, like, again, this is the best decision ever, hair-wise, isn't it? And I don't even realize how long, to me, like, for some of you, it's going to be nothing, but baby steps, people, baby steps, and I celebrate each and every milestone. of my journey, so don't come after me if it is not long enough for you, but for me it's everything. I think of doing some ornaments in a part of this one, so that's going to be a separate video. And I loved how on this side he kept like he combined front and behind, front and behind, front and behind, and he kind of gave me a bang here, cause your girl, you know, and I'm not a jeweler. Like it should be an extra occasion before I put those kind of heavy products in my hair. You remember you have to wash them out and it's a hot mess. So what I do, this is like 5 or 6 days after, I just brush my locks like I normally brush all of them, and normal shampoo, you have seen it, and I have this spray bottle with aloe vera gel and oil in it and some distilled water. Yes, that's about it. That's all I use. But I am so happy about this part here and how it has come out. And apparently it's normal for me to have extra grow, like my parts are not clean, and I love that, but I'm already seeing some little pieces here. So I'm going, if you can, I don't know if you can see here, like, and it is part of the journey to my information. So I'm getting extra growth. It's not that I'm losing hair or something. It's positive, what I thought was embarrassing. So how do I look? I just sprayed my hair after waking up from a scarf. I try to sleep in a silk scarf or something like that, at least a scarf each night or a net. And I just bend myself into the bathtub and voila. Are you on a lock journey? And how is it going? Or are you just getting the information? Like, I never thought I could fix this, but it is. It means, yeah, I'm not going to start my journey all over again. And yes. And I'm like congratulating myself for sharing this part of the journey. Like, all the locks I see, they're always perfect. And I was blaming it on my hair. I was blaming it on my hair, or I was saying, your hair is not, you were not ready, blah, blah, blah. But there's always a solution for something, for everything. Like, I can't stop smiling. Like, this is the land we can work with. And again, the size is very nice. I still have the fullness, and it's still a lot to work with, isn't it? So I never thought that. Anyways, I'm mumbling too much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I share various journeys on this channel. In fact, it is my eclectic good life channel. Like, I share hair, I share DIYs, I share talks, everything. Stick around. Like, this is a happy place. This is our happy place. Like, I'm a master of ceremony. Look how locks can make somebody be happy. Bye. Stay curious and locked.